question given here is the escape speed of a projectile on Earth's surface is 11.2 kilometers per second, and a body is projected out with thrice of the speed. What is the speed of the body far away from the Earth? Ignore the presence of the Sun and other planets. So let us assume that the speed of the body is far away from the Earth's surface is Vf. Okay. Then the total energy on Earth will be half mvp square minus half mv square of escape. Then the total energy of the body is far from the Earth, that is nothing but half mvf square. Since the potential energy at a far from the Earth is 0, we will use conservation of energy, that is nothing but half mvp square minus half mv escape square is equals to half mvf square. Okay, this is a formula. Let's put it in a box. Next. So the half when you take common in this LHS side and RHS side, it gets cut off. So you'll be left out with Vf square is equals to Vp square minus V escape square. So when you're removing the square, you have square root on the both sides, and it's 3 times of escape. Vp is given as 3 times of escape velocity and V square. So that is nothing but you'll be having 9 V escape square and this normal V escape square. Then it becomes root 8 of V escape. Therefore, root 8 value is 31.6 kilometers per second. So you have to multiply with V escape. Okay, root 2 into escape velocity 11.2 kilometers per second. So you'll be getting the value of 31.68 kilometers per second.